Hey guys, OnePlus and Oppo test a historical new smartphone display on October 24. Smartphone display have been getting much brighter in the recent year, with Google Pixel 8 Pro currently offer one of the brightest smartphone display in the market at 2400 nits. But next week, OnePlus and Oppo will be show off a device equipped with a 3000 nits display in a collaboration with BOE that's said to be a new drums for the display made in China has mentioned on a Weibo. Oppo and OnePlus will show off a new device that has display can be hit 3000 nits of brightness with a 2K resolution display. The final few rumors speak on the new display potential upgrade to 2160Hz PWM dimming. And this week Oppo and OnePlus launched a new foldable device and the display both resolution maximum of the 2800 nits. So let's see what happened October 24. So that's all about our video. If you found this video informative, make sure hit the like button and also subscribe my channel for more content like this as always.